I can't actually tell you exactly what's going on when you play a specific note, you know, like, oh, it's vibrating, you know, here and there. It's really complicated. Everybody I build a guitar for, you know, it's a collaboration. I know there's some builders that just like, I do my thing, I make the best thing. This is the thing. I mean, it's really fun. You get to consider every part of the guitar, which is sort of the opposite of like the factory thing where everything gets treated the same. You get to evaluate every piece of wood and think, is this what will make the kind of guitar this person wants? Because, you know, with the classical guitar, it's just you. There's no other gear. It's your nails, your hands. So like if you're building a guitar here, what you end up doing is you end up sanding this little bit a little more. You know, and so you end up a little thinner right here. Even without trying, you end up having probably a little more thickness here and a little less there. The top is going to move up and down, but then just like vibrations on a string, they break into all these harmonic modes. And so the top is actually vibrating in multiple ways. You're vibrating in this way where it can vibrate up and down. It can break into two parts here. It can break into three parts where there are two parts are going up, one part is going down. You get all these, then it just breaks up into infinitely more complex, you know, resonance. You know, the lowest note you play on the guitar, like you play an E, which is 82 hertz. This top can't vibrate at that frequency. So what you're hearing is actually all harmonics. Yeah, you're hearing all these other complex things. You're not actually hearing the fundamental of that note.